Hello, good morning everyone. This is Rin, inyong Bito-Bito Abukay, your Pampansang Lodi, Criminology Pilipinas. So, in this video, we'll be able to discuss yung kaibahan ng classical at positivist school of thought ng criminology. Diba? So, once we say classical, ito yung theory which is focused on the action of an individual. Diba? Kasi daw, ang tao daw, according to this school of thought, is may free will, di ba? May freedom siya, may free will to choose what is right from wrong. So alam niya na yung ginagawa niya is masama ba or nakakabuti sa pamamayanan or sa society. So meaning may consequence or alam niya yung consequences ano yung ginagawa niya, di ba? So more on focus siya sa individual act. So more on free will. So because of that, 'di ba? More on punishment ang ginagawa ng classical because alam nila na ang tao is may free will to do what is right and wrong, 'di ba? While ang positivist theory, it is more focus on the individual mismo. Hindi sa individual aka, individual. Wherein, according to this school of thought, ang tao daw or an individual is socialistic, meaning nakukuha niya yung mga behavior niya from the society where he belongs, di ba? So socialistic daw yung tao. So more focus on rehabilitation daw ang i-assist or ibibigay sa tao because he is socially sick, may sakit or may kapansanan daw ang tao kaya i-rehabilitate siya. So yan yung kaibahan ng dalawang school of thought.